video, we are going to do review on Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. So let's get started. These are the headphones which I am going to do review today. These are Beats Studio 3 wireless or over-ear headphones, which comes with Apple new W1 chip. And this side they have given the color of the headphones, and backside of the box they have given the features of the headphone, like headphones comes with wireless Bluetooth and pure ANC noise cancelling, and if the ANC is turned on, then you get 22 hours of battery backup, whereas if the ANC is turned off, then you get 40 hours of battery backup, which is good. And another good feature is fast fuel charging, which if you charge for 10 minutes you get 3 hours of playback, which is good. And you can also control music and manage calls through headphones, and you get a built-in microphone as well. Let's open the box. We got nice beat symbol on the top of the box. Here with beat symbol they have given some quotation: change the way you hear sound. It's nice. And here are the headphones. This Beat Studio 3 headphones actually comes with hard shell traveling case, which protects the headphones while traveling. Let's see what all the accessories we got under this box. We got an envelope with the beat symbol on it, which contains all the paperwork, and here we got remote talk cable, which we can control the music and manage calls as well. And if you press the middle button for 2-3 seconds, then you can activate the Siri as well. Let's keep this side. And we got a carabiner clip also for traveling, and we also got fast fuel charging micro USB cable. Let's keep all these things aside. Let's see headphones, and this paper instructions, and we got one beat sticker with safety information and Apple's 1-year warranty. So let's keep all these things aside. Let's open the case. By the look, they are nice. Comes to build quality, they are not that great. You can hear the cracky noise, which I did not expect this at this price rate. And here we got nice rubber padding, and the ear cushions are really soft and nice. You can enjoy music for a long time. And on the right ear cup you will get a power on off button with LED indicators for battery indication, and as well as ANC on and off as well on the right ear cup. On the left ear cup we got this music control buttons, and as well as we can manage the calls as well. If you press once this beat symbol on the left ear cup, we can play, pause the music, as well as answer the calls or reject the call as well. If you press and hold this beat symbol, you can activate the Siri or Google Assistant, and these are you can increase the volume up and volume down as well. And we also got 3.5 millimeter audio extension. On the right ear cup we got micro USB cable as well for charging. So let's try to connect these headphones. Yes, headphones are now connected, and it shows a battery percentage of the headphones as well. And the biggest and important thing of these headphones is the sound quality, which we'll test it now. Let's see how the sound quality will be. I think the vocals are really standing out, and the bass is clean. I mean, you can really definitely enjoy the music with these headphones. Let's turn on the ANC and see. The ANC is also good. I can't say it's completely reducing the outside noise 100%, but it's reducing 80% of the noise, which is good. So let's see. That's it, guys. Overall, these are really solid pair of headphones for music lovers. So what do you guys think about these headphones? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. For more updates, click on the bell icon. So see you guys in next video. Until then, bye bye.